Bubbly Bop time! Fun, music, and magical rhymes!
Hello, everyone! Let's look up at the sky and learn about the weather together. Are you ready? Let's sing!
What is the weather today? The sun is in the sky. Today is a sunny day. Today is a sunny day. The sun is shining bright. It's warm and bright and full of light. Today is a sunny day. What is the weather today? The sun and clouds are in the sky. Today is a partly cloudy day. Today is a partly cloudy day. The sun and clouds both play. It's bright and soft in a special way. Today is a partly cloudy day. What is the weather today? The clouds are in the sky. Today is a cloudy day. Today is a cloudy day. The sky is soft and gray. The sun is hiding far away. Today is a cloudy day. What is the weather today? Rain clouds are in the sky. Today is a rainy day. Today is a rainy day. The raindrops drip and drop. They fall from clouds up in the sky. Today is a rainy day. What is the weather today? The fog is in the sky. Today is a foggy day. Today is a foggy day. The fog is low and near. It's hard to see the road ahead. Today is a foggy day. What is the weather today? Snow is falling from the sky. Today is a snowy day. Today is a snowy day. The snow is soft and white. It sparkles bright in every way. Today is a snowy day. What is the weather today? Lightning and thunder are in the sky. Today is a thunderstorm. Today is a thunderstorm day. The thunder goes boom, boom, boom. The rain is pouring all around. Today is a thunderstorm day. What is the weather today? Strong winds are in the sky. Today is a tornado. Today is a tornado day. The winds go round and round. They swirl and spin so fast and strong. Today is a tornado day. Sunny, rainy, cloudy too. Snowy, foggy, sky so new. Thunder booms and winds may blow. Weather changes. Now we know. Now it's quiz time. Let's see what you remember. What weather has the sun shining in the sky? Sunny, what weather has raindrops falling down? Rainy. What weather has lightning and thunder together? Thunderstorm. What weather has snow falling softly? That's snowy. What weather has the sky full of clouds? Howdy. Great job, everyone. You got them all right. You're weather experts now.